Hello Aries, ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly reading sa buwan ng Enero 2024, January 2024. Para sa ating mga new viewers po na nakapanood lamang sa ating reading just now, welcome po. Sa ating mga current subscribers, thank you very much sa inyong pagsuporta sa ating monthly readings. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa inyong vacation and holiday with your family and loved ones. Okay? So, gagawin natin ang inyong monthly reading, general life at love reading para sa buwan ng January 2024. Isa-shuffle lang muna natin ang mga baraha in front of the camera and I'll see you in few seconds, collective Aries. Okay? Welcome back, Aries. So, gawin na natin ang inyong general life reading, okay? Sa position number 1, Aries, sa buwan ng January 2024, meron kang 8 of Cups, okay? Position number 2, 4 of Wands. Position number 3, Aries, meron tayong major arcana, the Hanging Man. Interesting, okay? Fourth position, meron tayong King of Wands, Aries. Okay. And then, meron tayong Page of Wands. Okay. Meron tayong 5 of Swords. Okay. For some reason, doble yung nakuha natin doon. So, kung ano ang unang lumabas, yun ang gagawin natin fourth position or fifth position at sixth position yung last. And then, at the center, merong 5 of Cups. Okay. So, sa January 2024, ano yung kailangang i-bring in sa'yo, Aries? Kailangan nating maghanap ng something na makakapagpasaya sa atin, no? Emotional fulfillment ang hanap mo. Sa beginning ng taon ng 2024, New Year, New Life, New Resolutions, Aries, okay? So, makikita mo to, meron kang mga situations or connections na kailangan mo ng iwan sa nakaraang taon, nakaraang mga buwan, okay, past few years, few months, 8 of Cups, okay, nasa quest ka, you will be in a journey, solo journey man yan, parang emotional turbulence late last year, or the past few months yung nangyari, nung 2023 sa'yo, or 2022 man yan, no, so wag mo nang dalhin yung mga excess emotional baggage na yan, that's not helping you, so it's about time mag-walk away ka doon at mag-start ka ng journey mo, no? Soul searching and emotional enlightenment, kumbaga, no? Yung pag nagpunta ka ng retreat, no? Feed your soul and your heart ng mga good things, no? Good feelings, okay? Good vibes, okay? Yung kailangan mo naman ipagpatuloy, however, is that may stability and security, no? Pa rin naman, despite or in spite of may mga bagay tayong kailangan mag-walk out tayo or mag-walk away tayo, okay, lalayuan natin, okay, I think, ang sinasabi dito, stay grounded, okay, yung mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, no, na itayo, mga pangarap, ambisyon na nasimulan mo na, kailangan mo lang ipagpatuloy na i-grow yun, mas maging stable yun, or mas secured ka for 2024, especially ngayong January. Okay, wag natin pababayaan na mag-crumble yun or yung parang lahat ng mga good things as of now, January 24, na nadala mo, no, sa New Year, keep doing it, you know, the good things that you do para, alam mo yun, makita mo finally yung reward, yung mga pinaghirapan mo, nandyan na. So, alagaan mo daw. Even yung connections, no? Friendship, personal relationship mo na seems okay at in harmony, patuloy mong pag-alagaan yun at pagtuunan ng pansin at panahon. Doon ka mag-focus at lumayo ka doon sa mga sitwasyon na hindi din nakakapagpasaya sa'yo. Now, sa manifestations, Aries, no? As a cardinal, fire sign, leader ng fire sign ka, no? Sa manifestations, may delay. Okay, the Hangman. Okay, may delay sa mga manifestations mo, pero this is something na hindi mo kontrolado, okay? Ang sitwasyon, ang nag-a-ask kasi ng delay na to or sabihin nating pause, okay? Nakahinto lang, okay? Hindi ibig sabihin na walang galaw is negative agad, Hindi ibig sabihin walang galaw, walang positive changes, no. Ang ibig sabihin lang nito, may mga situations na kailangan mo muna ihinto, put on hold, diba? Kumbaga, pag nilay-nilayan natin, mag-aral tayo kung may perspective or lessons tayo na dapat matutunan or ano yung magiging atake natin sa next na changes na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Okay, kasi nasa transition ka, may 8 of cups ka, may kailangan kang iwanan, pero at the same time, may kailangan kang i-grow sa mga areas ng life mo. So, that's why, may pumapasok ditong perspective na may work kang kailangan, inner work, sa mga, siguro, ang bagay na kailangan mo pang i-debate or i-discern pag nilay-nilayan or pag-desisyonan. Huwag mo nang gumawa ng desisyon sa mga manifestation, sa mga bagay na kailangan mo subukan at simulan. Sinasabi dito, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa pag-start up, no, or pag-jump, no. Huwag tayo yung, kumbaga, impulsive. Yun ang sinasabi sa ating mga manifestations. Pause muna. Teka lang, ito ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin? Hindi yung area, 'di ba? Vamos, wag puro gano'n, no? Maybe sinasabi ito, wait. Hinto muna. Ito ba talaga yung gusto mong marating sa buhay mo or ano yung kailangan mong gawin para ma-fulfill mo tong mga bagay na gusto mong simulan or i-manifest sa buhay mo. Okay? Ganun yung energy sa January for you. And then, however, yung external energies mo napakaganda, no? Kasi may King of Wands ka. Ang King of Wands is someone na, alam mo, yung paligid mo, marami kang mararamdaman or masisense ng mga opportunities, no? Sa connections, maraming lalapit sa'yo ng mga connections, no? Ma-attract mo. Makaka-attract ka ng mga trabaho rin, no? Na incoming, mga good news also na makakapag-provide sa'yo ng growth, okay? No? Na mag-i-instigate or mag-i-ignite na makakapagpaalab ng mga interest mo sa buhay, ng passion mo sa buhay, ng zest mo sa buhay, zest for life, no? Magiging hungry ka to be more successful, okay? Kasi may mga energies na ma-attract pa na maaaring mas maging, alam mo yun, incest ka sa January 2024, nasa mood ka lang to keep going. Yun yung external energy. So, be careful as well kasi or be mindful, yun ang ibig sabihin sa mga energies na papasok kasi ayaw mo na magkaroon ka ng missed opportunity, no, na maaaring makapagbigay kasi yan ng growth sa'yo spiritually as well as sa material kasi ang fire signs are mga ambitious na tao, no, okay, and fire signs, goal-oriented yan, no? Medyo, sabihin natin, you like to charge, no? Hindi lang kayo nag-initiate as a fire sign Aries, kasi cardinal sign ka, no? Doer sila, goal-getter. So, be mindful sa mga external energies, like I said. Pakiramdaman mo yung mga intuitions at yung mga opportunities na papasok, incoming news as well, na baka pwede kang maging involved or maging part of that, like trabaho, projects, or new connections, or even new love, okay? Yung kailangan mo na maibigay sa sarili mo, no? Curiosity nga, okay? Or sa paligid mo rin. Stay curious, stay open-minded sa mga ideas na kailangan mong simulan. Maaari kasing may mga idea ka na ine-entertain pero padaan-daan sa isip mo or sa desires mo pero parang hindi natin siniseryoso, no? Pero it's about time na medyo pagtuunan mo rin ng pansin yung mga ganun kasi parang magkakaroon ka ng breakthrough, no? Give yourself a breakthrough, no? Parang ibahin mo yung, sabihin natin yung routine mo, no? Yung mga ideas mo, be more open-minded ka sa mga ideas na hindi mo naisip before. Pero ngayon parang kumakatok sa'yo na parang, baka pwede ko tong gawin. Parang, baka ma-discover mo may talent ka into something, may interest ka pala into something else. Like, interesado ka pala sa ganitong venture or project na hindi mo alam before na kaya mong gawin. Okay? Like I said, kasi nandiyan ang King of Wands and Page of Wands. So, nasa 4th and 5th position siya, Aries, no? External energies, saka yung mga kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. So, pag naramdaman mo itong mga external energies nito na mga opportunities kasi yung King of Wands, yung mga interest or passion na pumapasok, like, yung mga idea na yan, try it. Yung sinasabi dito. Be bold. Take courage na why not i-entertain mo. Okay? Try mo lang, let's see kung mag-succeed, diba? Most likely, sinasabi dyan, baka mag-succeed ka, you never know. Okay? And then, be more flexible. Ganon. Kung may mga roles sa trabaho na parang hindi mo pa nagawa before, and then baka mag-excel ka doon. Okay? Sa new beginnings mo, may 5 of Swords ka. So, sa new beginnings, you have to be careful, okay? Kasi, it could break, it could, maaaring maging successful. Okay? Maaaring magtagumpay, maaaring matalo sa mga new beginnings mo. So, like I said, sinasabi dito sa manifestation, kaya may warning na Hangman, no? Huwag tayo basta-basta mag-jump into nang hindi masyadong pag-iisipan o aaralin kasi ang new beginnings, no, naka-base dito. Kung mas nalo natin patatagalin ang ating pagninilay-nilay, if this is something na gusto mo or hindi, then the better kasi sa new beginnings mo, maaaring mag-succeed, maaaring mag-fail, like I said. So, nakasalalay yun sa the way you manifest. Paano mo minamanifest? Paano mo umpisan yung mga new beginnings mo? Anong preparation ang kailangan mong gawin? How prepared are you? How knowledgeable ka doon? Yun ang sinasabi sa 5 of Swords mo dito. It could make or break, okay? So, piliin mo. Choose your battles. Piliin mo yung mga situations na alam mong doon pagagaling, doon ka mag-shine, doon ka magtatagumpay. Okay? So, sa lessons learned, I think sa 2023, no, your past few months, past years mo, ang daming mga regrets and disappointments, Aries, kasi nasa center ito. Okay? But, don't fret, huwag tayo mag-alala doon kasi, ang sinasabi dito, maaaring nakarang taon, nagdadwell tayo doon sa mga mistakes, lessons learned, and mga what we could have done better. Okay? So, ang isipin natin, guys, itong mga setbacks and challenges na pinagdaanan mo sa nakaraang taon, Aries, hindi siya forever. Hindi siya permanent. Temporary yan. Kasi, nakatayo pa yung 2 of Cups doon. Ang natumba lang yung tatlo. Sabihin natin 60-40. So, it's not really a loss. Hindi ka talo talaga. Meron ka pang natitira para sa'yo ng mga opportunities. May bala ka pa. May alas ka pa. So, ganun ang buhay. Gulong ng palad, taas, baba. Okay? So, lahat ng setbacks mo is not, it's temporal. Temporary, guys. Okay? Magbabounce back ka. Especially this year. Yun ang sinasabi dito sa Baraha, Aries. So, sana mag-resonate tayo sa general life reading yung Aries, no? So, i-shuffle lang muna uli natin ang mga barahat at balikan ko kayo in few seconds, Aries, para sa inyong love reading. Okay? Hi again, Aries. So, gawin na natin ang inyong love reading for whoever will resonate with this to January 2024. Okay? So, let's begin. So, sa unang baraha, Aries, sa love situation mo ngayong January, meron tayong Empress Major Arcana. Wow. Okay? And then, meron tayong 9 of Cups. January 2024. Meron ka rin Queen of Wands. And then, meron tayong 2 of Wands. Okay. And then, the Hierophant, Major Arcana. Lumalabas tong Hierophant, no? I think in almost sa mga readings na nagawa ko so far, Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn, and then Aries, mga cardinal signs. So, Lessons learned about love nung nakaraang taon or past few months, yes, may natutunan tayo dyan. Okay, may lesson din about values and moral code mo. Okay, never compromise your moral or belief system. Yun din ang nararamdaman ko dito. Okay, and because nandiyan ang Two of Wands, tapos may Hierophant. So, sabi ko sa'yo guys, nandun ka at one point, no, na you find yourself sa isang crossroad na whether to do this or that. Okay? But, pag gagawa ka ng decision when it comes to love, sinasabi rito na huwag mong i-compromise ang inyong moral or religious or belief system. Okay? Strongly, kung yun ang nararamdaman mo na parang you're in conflict with your values, then it's about time to take a pause. Okay? Huwag mo nang padalos-dalos. Okay? Ngayon, attractive ka, Aries, nasa element ka ng Queen of Wands. You could be attracting so many suitors, admirers, okay? So, wag nating isipin or wag tayong mawala ng confidence or hope na walang nakalaan para sa atin. There will always be someone na nakalaan sa'yo. What's meant for you, you will attract. Attract, don't chase. Kasi ikaw si Queen of Wands. Ang Queen of Wands hindi naghahabol, lumalapit sa kanya ang mga tao, ang mga you attract, you don't chase. Okay? Ngayon, there's something kasi sa energy sa January na wini-wish mo na magkatotoo. Emotional fulfillment. Okay? Ngayon, I think there is a chance sa January that you could get it. Kasi nandiyan ang Nine of Cups. Something na gustong-gusto ng puso mo. You've been wanting, you've been desiring na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. You think makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay? But we will see, ika-clarify natin to, Aries. And then, meron kang Empress. So, ang sinasabi, major arcana, nandiyan ang Empress card. Actually, sa traditional tarot, ang Empress is the Aries sign. Aries and Aries, no? But I see this also as Libra for me kasi ang Empress is the embodiment of all queens. Lahat yan, napaka-balance ng Empress, no? It's a perfect time for January, guys. Na for some of you na gusto mag-conceive, there's a possibility literally na maging fertile tayo. Okay? And pwede rin na sa January 2024 maka-attract tayo ng mga new connections na there's a potential na mag-grow. Yung interest na yon over someone, pwedeng mag-grow yon into something more passionate, something more nurturing. Okay? Kasi nandiyan ang Nine of Cups, nandiyan ang Empress. Okay? You cannot make it up. Emotionally fulfilling din kasi nandiyan ang Nine of Cups. Now, may potential din to na mag-grow literally at maging pregnant ka for some of you na gustong mabuntis or mag-conceive. But let's clarify. Or it could also be na since nandiyan ang Empress, nandiyan ang Nine of Cups, I could see na baka may proposal na mangyari, may engagement, mas mag-solidify kasi nandiyan ang Hierophant which is also a marriage card. In traditional tarot, yan ang Pope. Okay? Religious, something that's in order. Baka mag-formalize na yung relationship or connection nyo rin for January 2024. That's one way to read this. But we'll clarify muna yung mga barahan na to para sa ating collective Aries. Okay? Para sa ating collective Aries. Let's see. Okay, let's clarify isa-isa. So, meron tayong Wheel of Fortune. The luck is on your side. Sa January 2024, pagdating sa pag-ibig, may progress on potential nga to grow. Like I said, maaaring mas maging serious or mag-level up ang mga connection ninyo with your person. Sa mga single, maaaring makakita kayo ng new love interest. Okay? May progress yan. Don't worry guys. May galaw sa pag-ibig. And then, ang Nine of Cups mo, may Emperor. You see, you have the Empress at Emperor, no? Lumabas na ang Divine Masculine at Divine Feminine. Male and female energy nun dyan na. So, yeah, January 24 mo, I think lang, no? You will find your match. You will find your match for some of you. Kung meron kayong inaay na tao, ngayong fulfillment of wishes, makukuha mo sila. Makukuha mo yung puso nila, masusungkit nila yung puso mo. For some reason, gano'n, no? May potential na magkaroon ng relationship. Now, ang Queen of Wands, kinarify ng Ten of Wands. Okay. Much coveted to, no? Kasi nandyan ang Ten of Wands, then nandyan ang Nine of Cups. So, ito yung something na dinidesire mo na feeling mo imposible. Okay? Na mahirap. Na makamit or masungkin. Parang yung kanta ni Joey Albert, A Million Miles Away, diba? Parang so near yet so far, but here you go, nandiyan ang Queen of Wands, na-attract mo siya. No matter how difficult it is, na-manifest mo. You make it happen. may potential na maging kayo ng person na to. Hindi ko kayo pinapaasa. Sinasabi ko lang yung reading for what it is. Okay, take whatever resonates. Pero however, may two of wands ka dyan, no? Let's see, ano tong two of wands? May king of wands. So, may queen and king of wands. May empress and emperor. So, may strong partnership dito, no? Or attraction between two people, no? Okay? And I see na may maturity to, parehas seryoso. Kasi king and queen and emperor and empress. Parehas stable and secure. Parehas na mga goal-oriented and ambitious. Okay? Parehas din na busy sa mga career sa buhay nila. Hindi lang tukol sa love to. Maaaring busy rin kayo sa ibang areas ng buhay. So, perfect match. Diba? Perfect combination talaga. So, I would say na si Queen of Wands medyo nahihirapan tayo, no? No, we're trying to get the attention itong si King of Wands. Naman si King of Wands torn eh. Whether to do this or to do that. Okay? May mga plano siguro siya, no? So, parang baka iniisip niya magde-deviate ba ako sa plano or not. Okay? Ngayon, clarify natin tong Hierophant dito. Ang Hierophant is a major arcana na nandiyan ng Queen of Cups. Okay? So, like I said, no, ang Hierophant tied up sa marriage card, pwede rin sa traditional tarot, moral lessons, no, life lesson, mga spiritual growth, okay? And I do see na Aries, matured ka emotionally. Yung soul mo rin and yung heart mo matured. May Empress, may Queen of Wands, and then may Queen of Cups ka. You have so much love to give, okay? Sa tao na to, or sa connection na to, or sa ibang tao. Nurturing ka, kind. I think you could be the perfect wife or husband, no, to someone, Aries, okay? But I do see parang may dominating male and female energy dito. So, take whatever resonates. So, and you're also wise person. So, you know what to do about the connection in this person. But I do see na kahit medyo nahihirapan ka, no, na mag-attract, no, and there's a hesitation din sa part ng person mo, pwedeng siya or ikaw, it could work. It could work. Mag-work out to. Kasi, I don't see, wala akong nakikitang mga insincere energy for January 2024 pagdating sa love life mo. Okay? Just, may potential lang mag-grow at mag-develop. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo, Aries, sa inyong love reading sa January 2024. I see you guys sa next month Tagalog reading ninyo. Take care. God bless. Mahal ko kayo, Aries. Bye-bye.